What's up guys, Surge here. So the iPhone SE2 can be a part of WWDC. A well-known phone leaker, Benjamin Gaskin, tweeted several pictures of a rough draft, and this ad was created by JCD Cox, a French company known for its billboards and bus stop advertising. In a later tweet, Gaskin added that the ad was mocked up by JCD Cox for EE Limited, a UK-based carrier. As you can see, the ad itself depicts what appears to be an iPhone SE style device with an H2S display and a sensor cutout. Most of the copy seems to refer a carrier, but some of it does reveal some interesting tidbits about Apple's upcoming product releases. Also, the parent file name for the draft suggests an ad rollout date of Friday, June 15th. That's the second Friday following WWDC, which kicks off on June 4th. Apple typically releases new devices on a Friday after an unveiling, so that could be a date for iPhone SE2 shipment. Theoretically, the pre-order should begin on June 8th. Additionally, the iPhone SE devices have been removed and placed on an out-of-view display unit in at least one EE carrier store. That could also suggest an impending refresh. All after that, a Russian site Vilsa.com has shared alleged schematics and renderings showing off the design and size difference between the three upcoming iPhones. The site has two schematics, one for 6.5-inch OLED iPhone X Plus, which is rumored to have a dual-lens camera, and one for the lower-cost 6.1-inch iPhone, which is said to have an LCD display and a single-lens camera to keep costs low. There is no schematic for the second-generation 5.8-inch OLED iPhone that will be sold alongside the two other devices, presumably because it will continue to have the same dimensions as the current iPhone X. Also, the LCD iPhone will resemble an iPhone X closely with a notch-style screen, but it will feature a bigger bottom bezel than the iPhone X, as it will use an LCD panel rather than flexible OLED. Nevertheless, it will be a lot more bezel-less than the current mid-tier offerings. Vilsa.com also shared a side-by-side render of the iPhone X Plus and 8 Plus, and as you can see, both the devices measure same. Interestingly, we also have a side-by-side render of Note 9 and iPhone X Plus, so that we can compare the upcoming beasts. That said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.